Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Salford University Blackboard account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Salford University Blackboard account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you can search for Salford University Login Blackboard. And after searching for that option, now what you can do is tap on this first option which says Blackboard University of Salford, and after tapping on that option it will take you to this page where you can enter your username or email address of your Salford University. After entering your username or email address, now what you can do is just enter your password. After entering your password, tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your Salford University account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten password, and after tapping on forgotten password you can easily reset or recover your Salford University password. So just easily reset or recover your password and create a new one. After creating a new password, come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your Salford University Blackboard account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Salford University Blackboard account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.